Hello students, I am Ashwini Zamdade, lecturer at Sanjivani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Kopargaon. First of all, I heartily welcome you in second year of Diploma Pharmacy. Hope all of you are doing well and enjoying learning from home. Today we are going to discuss some part of dispense medication from dispensing pharmacy, that are powders. What are powders and how powders are dispensed. Now what are learning outcomes of this presentation? From this presentation, you will be able to know the definition of powder and its advantages and disadvantages as well. Now, what is powder first? Different powders you use in your day-to-day life, like at home, salts or baking powders or some crushed sugars, are some of the household examples of powders. Now, but pharmaceutically, the dosage form powder is defined as intimate mixture of dry, finely divided drugs and or chemicals that may be intended for internal or external use. Example of pharmaceutical powders is dusting powder, dental powder, etc. It also has some advantages over other dosage forms like tablets, capsules, liquid dosage forms. Some of the advantages are using both internally and externally. Powders can be used internally as well as externally. This is the one of the best advantage of powder dosage form. It has good stability compared to liquid dosage forms or fluids. It has rapid onset of action, easy to swallow when mixed with liquid or juices or water. It is easy to handle compared to liquid dosage form. It is suitable for pediatric and geriatric patients, and it is also economical compared to other dosage form. It also has some disadvantages. It is not suitable for the drugs unstable in atmosphere, because some drugs in powder form has tendency to absorb the atmosphere and get liquefied. This is the disadvantages of powders. Now, powders are not suitable for bitter, nauseating, deliquescent and hygroscopic drugs. Bitter taste of the drug may cause nausea, and patient's compliance is decreased. And deliquescent and hygroscopic drugs absorbs atmosphere and get liquefied. Dispensing of powders is time consuming, because weighing each powder, then mixing it and then dispensing takes long time. Quantity less than 100 milligram is not possible to weigh on dispensing balance. This is one of the biggest disadvantage of this powder dosage form. And volatile drugs cannot be dispensed, because volatile drugs has tendency to evaporate in the atmosphere or when they come in contact with atmosphere. This is also one of the disadvantage we can say of the powder dosage form. The other points of from the powder dosage form we are going to discuss in next session. Till then, thank you. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Bye bye.